Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. STP's 5-in-1 engine cleaner. Unlock maximum engine performance. Over time, your car's engine can accumulate carbon deposits and gunk, leading to sluggish performance and decreased fuel efficiency. But fear not, the STP 5-in-1 engine cleaner is here to the rescue. This powerful solution is designed to break down and remove harmful buildup, helping your engine run smoother and more efficiently. Say goodbye to rough idling and engine knock, as this innovative cleaner works its magic to restore your car's performance. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or just starting to take an interest in vehicle maintenance, the benefits of the STP 5-in-1 engine cleaner are undeniable. In this video, we'll delve into the nitty-gritty details of how this product works, why it's a game-changer for car owners, and how you can leverage its power to keep your engine running at its best. Get ready to embark on a journey to a cleaner, more efficient engine performance with STP 5-in-1 engine cleaner. Understanding STP 5-in-1 engine cleaner. STP 5-in-1 engine cleaner is a powerhouse product designed to keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. With a unique formulation that targets and eliminates deposits, grime, and contaminants, this cleaner is a one-stop solution for maintaining your engine's performance. What is STP 5-in-1 engine cleaner? STP 5-in-1 engine cleaner is crafted with a blend of potent detergents and additives that work together to break down tough carbon deposits, varnish, and sludge that can accumulate in your engine over time. By targeting these buildups, the cleaner helps improve fuel economy, restore power and acceleration, and reduce emissions. It's like giving your engine a refreshing detox that promotes optimal function. Benefits of using STP 5-in-1 engine cleaner. Enhanced engine performance. By effectively removing harmful deposits, STP 5-in-1 engine cleaner helps restore your engine's power and efficiency, leading to smoother operation and better overall performance. Improved fuel economy. Clean engines operate more efficiently, leading to better fuel consumption. Using STP 5-in-1 can help optimize fuel economy by ensuring that your engine is free from performance-hindering buildups. Reduced emissions. Clean engines produce fewer harmful emissions. STP 5-in-1 engine cleaner aids in reducing your vehicle's carbon footprint by optimizing combustion and emission control systems. 4. Long-term engine maintenance. Regular use of STP 5-in-1 can help prevent future buildups, extending the lifespan of your engine and reducing the risk of costly repairs down the line. 5. Easy to use. Simply add STP 5-in-1 engine cleaner to your fuel system during your regular maintenance routine to enjoy the benefits of a cleaner, healthier engine without any hassle. Incorporating STP 5-in-1 engine cleaner into your engine maintenance regimen can lead to a smoother, more efficient driving experience while promoting the longevity of your vehicle's engine. Give your engine the care it deserves with the comprehensive cleaning power of STP 5-in-1 engine cleaner. How to use STP 5-in-1 engine cleaner. Using the STP 5-in-1 engine cleaner is a straightforward process that can help improve your engine's performance. Follow these steps for optimal results. Step-by-step application process. Prepare your vehicle. Ensure your engine is cool before starting. Park in a well-ventilated area and put on protective eyewear and gloves. Locate the fuel tank. Find the fuel tank and remove the cap. Open the bottle of STP 5-in-1 engine cleaner. Pour the cleaner. Slowly pour the entire contents of the bottle into the fuel tank. Make sure not to spill any as the cleaner is potent. Replace the fuel cap. Securely fasten the fuel cap back onto the tank. Drive your vehicle. Start your engine and drive as you normally would. The cleaner will mix with the fuel and begin its work. Refuel. When your fuel tank is nearly empty, refill it as usual. The cleaner will continue to treat your engine with each drive. Safety precautions and recommendations. Ventilation. Always use the cleaner in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling fumes. Avoid contact. Do not let the cleaner come in contact with your skin or eyes. In case of contact, rinse thoroughly with water. Keep away from flames. The cleaner is flammable, so keep it away from open flames or sparks. Proper disposal. Dispose of the empty bottle according to local regulations for hazardous waste. Following these steps and safety precautions will help you effectively use the STP 5-in-1 engine cleaner and maintain your engine's performance. STP 5-in-1 engine cleaner vs. competitors. When it comes to choosing the right engine cleaner for your vehicle, it's essential to weigh the options carefully. Let's dive into how STP 5-in-1 engine cleaner stacks up against its competitors in terms of features, effectiveness, and user satisfaction. Comparison of features and effectiveness. STP 5-in-1 engine cleaner boasts a comprehensive formula that targets multiple engine issues in one go. Not only does it clean the fuel system, but it also helps reduce friction, restore power, and improve fuel efficiency. Its unique blend of additives sets it apart from traditional engine cleaners. In comparison to other products in the market, STP's 5-in-1 engine cleaner stands out for its all-in-one approach. While some cleaners focus solely on removing deposits, STP goes the extra mile by providing additional benefits that contribute to the overall performance of your engine. The value it offers in terms of maintenance and enhancement is hard to beat. User reviews and testimonials. Real user experiences often speak volumes about a product's true effectiveness. Users who have tried STP 5-in-1 engine cleaner have reported noticeable improvements in their vehicle's performance. From smoother acceleration to better fuel economy, the cleaner has garnered positive feedback across the board. Testimonials praise STP's cleaner for its ability to revitalize older engines, enhance responsiveness, and prolong the lifespan of vital engine components. Users appreciate the ease of use and the visible results they achieve after incorporating STP into their maintenance routine. STP 5-in-1 engine cleaner not only competes with but surpasses many of its counterparts in terms of features, performance, and user satisfaction. With a dedicated focus on delivering superior results, STP proves to be a reliable choice for anyone looking to optimize their engine's performance effortlessly. Maintaining engine health with STP 5-in-1 engine cleaner. Regular use for engine maintenance. Regular use for engine maintenance. Using the STP 5-in-1 engine cleaner on a routine basis is key to ensuring your engine's longevity and efficiency. By incorporating this cleaner into your maintenance routine, you're effectively removing harmful deposits and contaminants that can accumulate over time. This regular cleansing action helps to keep your engine running smoothly and can contribute to improved fuel efficiency. Tips for maximizing results. Here are some additional tips to help you maximize the benefits of the STP 5-in-1 engine cleaner. Follow manufacturer guidelines. Always refer to the manufacturer's instructions on how frequently to use the cleaner for optimal results. Combine with regular oil changes. Pairing the use of the cleaner with regular oil changes can further enhance engine performance. Drive responsibly. Practicing good driving habits such as avoiding quick accelerations and maintaining consistent speeds can complement the cleaning effects of the product. Monitor engine performance. Pay attention to any changes in your engine's performance after using the cleaner, as this can indicate its effectiveness. Consider seasonal use. Adjust your cleaning schedule based on seasonal changes and driving conditions to ensure year-round engine health. By incorporating these tips into your maintenance routine, you can maximize the efficiency and performance of your engine with the help of the STP 5-in-1 engine cleaner. The STP 5-in-1 engine cleaner is a game changer for car maintenance. It's a simple yet effective solution to keep your engine running smoothly. With its powerful formula, you can say goodbye to engine gunk and hello to optimal performance. Don't let engine trouble slow you down. Keep it clean with STP 5-in-1 engine cleaner. Your car will thank you for it. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.